welcome back to the Pink Envelope. Today, Paige is unboxing her very first box all by herself. She is opening her Stitch Fix for Kids. I wanted to give you a few details, you moms, before she dives in, but it is her third fix. It is her spring-summer fix, and there are 10 items inside. Her cheapest item is $16, and her most expensive is $34. So if she keeps all 10 items, she'll only pay $169.50. And by she, I mean Daddy will pay it. So stay tuned and watch as she reveals her items. We will also post some photos so that you guys can see her in her new wardrobe. All right, Paige, you ready? Okay, let's go.
Hi guys, welcome to the Pink Envelope. This is Stitch for Kids. So we're gonna open it. Look, and here comes some more colors. Here comes some new lip gloss. Next one. Oh, it's a very cookie though. I don't know what it is. Look how cute this is! Aw, guys, look! It's a cute little dress! That's polka dots and lines on it. This is the one I really wanted. It's a rainbow. It's out. The box. I love this. It's so cute. And it has cute little pocket. Oh, it's a new little tutu skirt when I go to class. Look how cute. Look in the inside, you can get that. Last one. Oh, look, it's a little swimsuit. A new swimsuit. Look, a cute little swimsuit. Well done. Bye. Hi guys, welcome to the Pink Envelope.
That was perfect. Then you're gonna say, this is Stitch Fix for Kids.
This is Stitch for Kids.
That's perfect.